Hello and welcome GPU miners. This video is about how you can get started mining Bismuth. Just in case you are wondering what Bismuth is, let me give you a real short introduction. Bismuth is a blockchain protocol and platform. It has a unique Python code base and had a fair launch in 2017, meaning that there was no pre-mining, no airdrops, no initial coin offering, and no VC funding. Now back to you miners. Bismuth is a SHA-224 GPU mineable coin. But before you start mining, you will need, of course, a wallet. So get a wallet, generate a key pair, and of course that public address of yours will be needed for receiving mining rewards. So get that done. Recommended wallet links will be in the description of this video. You have several options to mine Bismuth. Either choose a mining pool or use an open source solo miner. In this video, we will be using a rather small Bismuth mining pool, which is called Coinsaurus. The URL is bismuth.coinsaurus.com. And you are seeing right now the website of this pool. You have here some graphs about this pool indicating the pool hash rate, pool workers, difficulty, the blocks which were found by this pool. So in order to get started, we click on this link on top, getting started. Then you can use this pool on a Linux system and also on a Windows machine. All right, I am using for this demo a notebook running a NVIDIA RTX 3060 graphic card on a Ubuntu 20.04 operating system. Of course, so you can just download. I already downloaded it. You will see it here. Those are the files, and then you just open the command line. Of course, before you start, you will have to edit the configuration file. This is here what you have to do. I just put in my address, my public address, and then you can also create a miner name. And all the other settings you have to check out in the README file, what they do and what's best for your machine, for your graphic card, which are you using. I pretty much left all my settings to the default one, and once you start this application, it will create a junction file. So this means this is only a GPU mineable coin. Open here the terminal, and I can now start this this pool, and it will start working right now. And you see here the graphic card, he found it, and yeah, it will start now. And so what else do we have here to say? Once the pool finds a block, you can always check it out. It will here show on the main side. It will show right here. Here you see the blocks the pool found, the time and how many blocks he found. Here he found 2 blocks. Yeah, and then there's a minimum amount. The payout amount, it's 1 bis, and it will be paid out twice within 24 hours. The web will update the web status will update every 4 minutes, and there are no fees at the moment. Okay, so yeah, it will show which addresses or which mining addresses, the payout address of all the mining addresses will be shown here, and the pending balances. Here you see that this mining address will receive 8.3 8, 9, and so on Bismuth when the next payout is due. And all the other addresses will only receive a payout when they reach at least 1 bis. Here we have the confirmed blocks, and here are the current miners. And you see, this is the mining pool I just added. That's the worker name I've put in this configuration file here. Yeah. Miner name working and miner address. That's important that you put in your own public address from your key pair. Okay, so that's about it. It's very easy, so you can either use Linux or a Windows machine. Very easy to set up and get started. So I hope that you will be mining some Bismuth. Thanks for watching.